Do you want to turn on voice directions or voice navigation on Google Maps? Then you are in the right place. Here is how to do that. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Turn on voice navigation in Google Maps. To turn on voice directions in Google Maps, follow these steps based on your device type, Android or iPhone. The settings may vary as per your device, but the basic steps remains the same. Launch the Google Maps app on your device. Tap on your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. Select Settings from the menu. In the Settings menu, tap on Navigation or Navigation Settings. Look for the Mute State option and ensure it is set to Unmuted. If it's set to Muted, you won't hear voice directions. Adjust the guidance volume to your preference, like normal or louder, to ensure you can hear the directions clearly. You can also test the sound settings by using the Play Test Sound option in the navigation settings to confirm that the voice is functioning properly.
Your destination will be on the right.
After setting up the voice options, select your destination and tap the blue Directions button. Select the mode of transport, like you want to walk or travel by public transport or by car, etc. Then tap the blue Start button to begin navigation. Google Maps will now provide verbal turn-by-turn directions. If you still do not hear voice directions, check your device's overall volume settings and ensure that your phone is not connected to a Bluetooth device that may be redirecting audio. This way, you should be able to successfully enable voice directions in Google Maps for a more convenient navigation experience. And there you have it, the way to turn on voice directions or voice navigation on Google Maps. We hope one of the methods have worked for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know about this video. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.